It's your boy Kano, man. Kano better be but I'm on some real life right now, man. I'm sick and tired of all these separate claims. They this or this, they that or that. Man, what you talking about, dog? I'm getting on where I belong. Getting in where I fit in, dog. But it's real, dog, for real. Your life easy, my life hard. I don't feel nothing in this world but God. Your life easy, my life hard. I don't feel nothing in this world but God. Your life easy, my life hard. I don't feel nothing in this world but God. Your life easy, my life hard. I don't feel nothing in this world but God. This is what Kano, I'm repping the mic, so pay attention. Gucci maintain lame on this track, I must mention, yup. I'm a Memphis Grizzly, and y'all little birds. I'm from the north, like Detroit, winning like the Spurs. The bird ain't signing hard from my city. I'll take this call, but dog, I'm waiting to hear from Diddy. Big players, yeah, I got them. Take the city by storm before I drive it down. It's summertime now, and my lyrics heated. Call me Kano Jackson, heard how I bumped on beat it. My whole childhood, we was on good wages. Passing out my mixtapes like yellow pages. Yeah, you got a deal, yeah, your life might seem fast. All this later, I'm busy and like dream cash. Out the gate, like Lieutenant G, I'm in the yard. It could've been easy, but don't, you made it hard. Your life easy, my life hard. I don't feel nothing in this world but God. Your life easy, my life hard. I don't feel nothing in this world but God. Your life easy, my life hard. I don't feel nothing in this world but God. Your life easy, my life hard. I don't feel nothing in this world but God. When I first look up in there, I buy more rocks. Bleached out, ice and white, call it Clorox. My blood tired ammo, cause I make it breathe hard. Just say I kill your spirit and gave your ass a breathe card. Dog, you a baby, sippin' Similac. I taught you the game, your first bar, I remember that. So rock-a-bye, baby. Watch it down from crib, they'll your ass shouldn't have played me. Better think fast when money first roll up. Treat you like hoes and make your ass fold up. Fold up. Good dope, it got me kinda horny. I'm sipping good yerping, it's the same color Barney. And I can't even lie, I ain't never shot a chopper. But I pack a 45, guaranteed to stop it. I'm rapping Hollywood, so they gon' feel it. In the street, all the way to the bid. Your life, I know that world, real quick. You don't know what I'm saying. Your life, my life. Real talk, man. All the way from the heights, man. Mr. Hottie, man, we too fine. No, Kano. Yeah. Brad Chevy. Yeah. Yeah. And it's going down there, man. Yeah. Throwing up my thumbs. What? Since I was a toddler. 20 years old, and I throw my thumbs harder.
Personally, I don't give a know I gotta eat. Gotta put J's on the shit and Emerson on me.
I've been throwing up my thumbs ever since I was a toddler. 20 years old, and I throw my thumbs harder.
Personally, I don't give a know I gotta eat. Gotta put J's on the shit and Emerson on me.
Make room, let this young in. I'm told the 9 biggest. Niggas swears a 10. I know you heard. Bam, home, most of you suckers are scared. Police and ma shouldn't have said what you said. By any means necessary. My goon gon' eat. My homies get it to me cheaper than J's on 3rd Street. Champ gone got it too. Buck Jones and Hooper. Now we packing space cars, assault rifles and Ruger. You told me I'm the shit, yo. Said I was the truth. Making hits passing like like Barry and Babe Ruth. Yeah, I took my grill out, cause I'm on some bigger shit. Yo, man, put you out, cause I gave a bigger. Suckers rapping about stacks and birds and how they moving dope out. Never seen a kid, never stood in a dope house. Handful of OGs ending off behind me. I ain't even dropped the album, niggas wanna sign it. I was throwing up my thumbs ever since I was a toddler. 20 years old and I throw my thumbs harder. Don't give a, I know I gotta eat. Gotta put J's on the Chevy and my son feet. I've been throwing up my thumbs ever since I was a toddler. 20 years old and I throw my thumbs harder. Yeah. I know I gotta eat. Gotta put J's on the Chevy and my son feet. Blaze up the kush, lace up the J's in, hit the perk. Real wet and second, put some minutes on my chirp. Now I got work, come calling me like labor ready. Flip my package 2 times, about 10, my table ready. Steak and spaghetti, now fuck it, I'ma have a lobster. Fresh as fuck in these brown and black forces to match my chopper. Pockets on proper, and mine is these for yours, doctor. Chevy parked in valet and it's tighter than school lockers. Take my shirt off, I'm tatted, I'm thugging, it ain't no secret. Your style was give me your cap and yo, you can keep it. When it come down to pimping, Miss Lady, I do it best. Taught it coach by the finest, my mama pimped in the dress. Yeah, I promise it ain't really what you want. Pimp's bigger than newborns, ducking bullets, shit don't in the wood. I know some bitch that ain't scared to get a charge and pockets. That random begin to out of God. I've been throwing up my thumbs ever since I was a toddler. 20 years old and I throw my thumbs harder. I know I gotta eat. Gotta put J's on the Chevy and my son feet. I've been throwing up my thumbs ever since I was a toddler. 20 years old and I throw my thumbs harder. I know I gotta eat. Gotta put J's on the Chevy and my son feet. I'm high as hell, but I'ma stick to the subject. Treat the heights like my mama. Protected and loved it, and I've been here since 87. So pimp, I ain't leaving. All 7,335 days free. The 11-14 Atlantic Circle is why I went first. In the colors, bro, but I'ma leave it in the hearse. The track rolling now, and it was rolling in. We got the niggas now, and we was gonna then. Walk to the boys club, straight blowing bud. Now I flick through the hood, showing pioneers love. And real talk, we gotta have the most crack in the city. It ain't shit to been a block in my hood and flip a 50. Yeah. Say you don't know me, yeah, it's cool, that's how I nigga want it. I was here when the police killed Tracy, homie. R.I.P. to Lil Rich, Tusa, and Rod. 21 chopper salute, my chest still thrive. Throwing up my thumbs ever since I was a toddler. 20 years old and I throw my thumbs harder. Gotta put J's on the Chevy and my son feet. I've been throwing up my